So we have a special guest today, don't we, babe?
Are you filming?
I am.
Hello.
It's Brad.
Who have we got coming then?
Cheeky.
We're having a special guest today. How exciting! That'll be exciting. What is
I
that?
know.
Who's it going to be?
That was weird.
That was weird. So the lads are going ahead, carrying everything on our way to the bridge. How exciting!
So here we are with Brad and Mazzy, the two best magnet fishing man and woman combination in the world. What is Oh, you've got something. You've got something. So you've literally thrown it in twice and you have picked two things up. That's a good sign, isn't it?
Good sign.
Very good sign. What about Mazzy? Have you got anything? No?
Just nailed it and that was about it.
Nails.
Oh, it has
No, man.
been done before here as well.
Keep trying. Yeah, it has been done before, yeah?
Yeah, look. Hidden in the grass.
It looked like a twig to me.
So I've thrown my magnet in first throw and I'm using Brad's technique of jolting it. I can't feel nothing though. So I'm about to pull it up. But I've only got one hand, guys, so bear with me. It doesn't feel like I've got anything. What have I got? I got a hokey dokey spokey pokey too. And some other little bits of trash.
Just find something special, please.
Brad's being a good boy, get rid of the trash properly, disposing of it, aren't you, Brad?
Oh yeah, you gotta get rid of it. Can't leave it lying around. And then we dropped it.
Yeah, he's got rid of all the trash, including his iPad. The only thing we've kept from this place is my bed foot.
I've actually just thrown it in the bin. I've just thrown it in the bin. You left it in the bucket. I threw it in the bin.
You're having a laugh.
No, seriously, it's in the bin.
So we're just going to get into Brad's hot boiling car.
Oh, it's roasting inside. I opened the boot then and just got, you know, like when you open an oven.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
I forgot to lock it.
Oh, you silly son. Oh my goodness. So anyway, we're going to get into this hot car and we're going to head off to the next bridge. It wasn't happening there. Brad's cleaned his car specially for us, babe.
Is that?
Yeah.
Stinks.
It was
Absolutely
accident
stinks.
this time.
Do you know what? Brad hasn't cleaned it since the last time we was in it.
Yeah, I'm going to say it stinks. It smells of rusty nails and bolts.
Do you know what? It should actually, because the boot's full of it.
You're using a receipt to blow your nose.
I need to blow my nose. I've got hay fever. I forgot to take the tablet, and Brad has very kindly given me a receipt somewhere in Stockport for £28.16.
Oh, that's petrol.
Brad's got a car window wiper while I've got mine stuck.
Brad, I'm going to need your help. I can't get that off. Brad's turned up with these ultimate, fantastic, amazing magnets from online fishing. Online magnets. But, can't get them off.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I was about to do.
Well, that's why you need steel toe cap boots, actually. Well done, Brad.
I know I keep knocking Brad, but it's all in jest. I love Brad to bits. He's actually found something. I don't know if he's even filmed it. Did you film it?
What?
Did you film the can?
Yeah, but I mean, like...
To him, it's nothing. I can assure you this is a fantastic find. Look at this. It's an old can. It is something like Something and Night Limited. And it's got all the directions on the back. Thornley and Night Limited from Birmingham. That is old. That's at least 60, 70 years old.
Really?
Yeah. It's in old money. It's got the money on the back. 9, whatever it is, 9D or whatever. That's very, very old. Very collectible. Very nice.
So while the boys are over there, my tactic is to be closer to the bridge and see what I can pull in. Well, it's strange. I don't know what I've got. Well, it's on top of me magnet. It's like it's another magnet. I don't know. Yeah, it's like it's another magnet. Yep, cool find. So on that pull, I just got a couple of nails, and which looks like a 5p.
Very, very good event here, and it's been going on for years. Every summer, at the 5 Rise Locks, which is a mile that way, 2 miles that way.
This is so cool, guys. I've never seen this.
People have to make their own boats.
Check it
It's a
out.
race up the locks, and it's fantastic.
You see, the best thing with a GoPro, I can get you and film this at the same time.
So we got a barge coming
How
through.
cool is that? I've never seen that before, so that's pretty cool.
Haven't you? In all the times you've
No, I've
done?
never seen this type of bridge open,
Oh, that's so cool.
so I think that's pretty cool.
Give us a wave. What you got? What you got?
Well, I thought that were a coin, but it's flaking into nothing, so it might not be.
Okay.
But I have got something very, very good here.
Let's have a
It's
look.
like a tag.
Okay, I can't reach
I
up
need to try
there.
and get this off without breaking it. It's like a tag, a round circle tag
Oh,
with a
that's
hole in it
so cool.
and a number on it. And the number is 202.
What is it, guys?
I don't know. What is that, people? Have you any idea, Brad?
Turn it around.
Bridge tag, it says, because we're next to it. He's rubbish. He's rubbish.
Turn
Could
it
be
around.
anything.
Let's see the back of it.
Well, it's just 202 backwards.
Oh, okay.
But that's special. That's
Special.
history right there.
Yeah, well done, babe.
Thank you.
Hold on. What you got? What you got?
Are you filming? Yeah. I
Yeah.
have definitely got something on here.
Okay, mind the side. Mind the side. Oh, what is that? Oh my goodness.
I have no idea. Whoa.
Come closer.
I have no idea what it is, but look at all the snails on it. Can you see them? Like water snails.
Ew.
Bit
Okay.
of metal on that side. Don't know what it is.
And I'm using Brad's magnet today, which is more powerful than my own, which is good. Oh, I'm definitely on something. Okay, let me reel it in. Let me see what it is. Oh, it's definitely something. Oh. So all it was like a barbecue stand and some tatty old metal. I'll switch you back on when I got something decent. But yeah, this is the magnet Brad's lent me today. Much better than mine because it's a total different shape. And if I rip all this off, hold on. You can see how this one pivots, which is really good because I don't have that on mine. And it's got magnetism on the top and bottom, so it's much better than mine. Let's go. Right, Brad, what have you found?
A mobile phone!
Oh my goodness, well done.
It's not even a Nokia. It's a
It's a
Sonic.
copy. It's a copy of a Nokia.
Sonica.
Made in
Yeah,
China.
It's the worst kind of phone you could possibly find, but you found it.
it doesn't matter.
phone.
Stillified.
Still a phone.
Still a phone.
I'm going over there. Oh
Oh,
dear me.
I thought it was the end of a gun. I thought it was the end of a gun. It's not.
It could have been.
It's one of them stakes where you put tape around when there's been a murder here in the past, and there will have been.
Yeah,
There's
well,
murders in every bridge
it's a
around
good sign.
West Yorkshire. They'll put tape around that. Nobody's allowed here. Police tape, crime scene, and that'll be one of them. Or a workman.
Right, not as good as Brad's find after he's finding his phone. But I just found a coin. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe just a penny or something. But hey ho, towards the collection. Just loading our gear up. And Brad, bless him, has given me the magnet I've been using all day. Oh, he's so sweet. Thank you, Brad.
That was very kind of Brad. Right, guys, just been magnet fishing with That's Brad.
I just jumped right past.
He jumped in short, he did it badly. And that's very tiny Mazzy. And very big, fantastic Dan. So we didn't find much today, but we had a fantastic time. Me, That's Brad. Check out his channel. Click on the I think it's up there or in the description. And my Mazzy. And we've had a fantastic time.
Aww.
It's not all about finding things, it's all about having a good time. And we have.
And I've got some secret footage of those two walking and skipping.
Ah!
You didn't know that, did you?
So go over to Brad's channel and check it out.
So come watch that. It's
Yeah.
quite funny.
He is one of our best friends now. We love Brad. Thank you very much for coming, Brad.
Thanks, Brad.
Shake my hand, it's going to have to be left-handed.
It's been a good day, thank you.
Thank you.
Safe journey.
Yeah, come on now.
Come on.
Bye.
See you later. Can't believe he kissed me girlfriend. He kissed me girlfriend. I can't believe he kissed me girlfriend.
Oh my goodness.